Good afternoon and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I'm Chef Matthew and today I'm going to be cooking curried lentils, tomato, and coconut soup. First, I'd like to go over the ingredients. First, we'll be starting off with a little bit of oil, onion, minced garlic, grated ginger, red lentils, curry, lal mirch, tomato sauce, good old water, chopped parsley, and coconut milk. And now we'll start cooking. To a medium saucepan, we'll add some of the oil. And let the oil heat up for a few seconds. Then we'll add the onion. Give it a real quick stir. Add a little bit of salt. A little bit of pepper. And in about 4 to 6 minutes, these will be ready. Okay, now that the onions are ready, we're going to go ahead and add the garlic. The ginger. The curry and lal mirch. And we're going to give it a good stir. We're going to saute for a minute or two. Smell it, yeah. Doing this on low heat. Don't want to scorch the curry or the lal mirch. I went ahead and rinsed the lentils. We're going to add those next. Give them a toss. Now we're going to add the tomato sauce. Give that a good stir. Then you add the parsley. We're going to add the water. Some salt. and pepper. Check my flame. There we go. We still got flame. Now we're going to stir this all together. And now the coconut milk. We're going to turn up the heat. We're going to bring it up to a boil, and it's going to bring it to a boil, then back down to a simmer, and it's going to simmer for about 25 minutes. Okay, after simmering for about 25 minutes, here's this lovely soup. The lentils are nice and soft. I'm going to bring a bowl in. I'm going to do a quick ladle. Need to be the cleanup. Got some coconut milk here. We're just going to do a real quick drizzle. Got some extra parsley. We're going to do a real quick garnish. And here's the curried lentils, tomato, and coconut soup. I hope you enjoyed this cooking demonstration, and I hope to see you next time on this wonderful evening. Have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.